Hey guys, Dave Franklin here, and this is my home with Greenworks. So I've just bought a new house in Blackrock, and as you can see, it needs quite a bit of work here. I've got my Greenworks tools here. Let's rip into it. Well guys, you can see it right now, the backyard is quite big and we've got stuck right into it. And I've got to say, I've used probably over 16 different tools here, but one battery is maintained to use all of these tools. That's why I love Greenworks. Universally, it's the best going around.